Hello, this is Perry over at Stinger Lifts. We're here today looking at a 53-foot Kentucky trailer with two of our Stinger lifts installed. If you look in here, the first lift you're gonna come up to is gonna be a 14-foot lift here. And as we move back, you're gonna see a set of crossover ramps we designed to get from one lift to the other. And then this back lift here is a 16-foot lift. And as we move forward, we have a custom built 18-inch extension here to get right up to his little platform here. We'll move this way. You can see the E-track we installed for him. It's all 12 volt. Installed the power units up on the wall. We've used his current batteries to power it, but you've got two lifts here. I guess say a 16 and a 14 foot. You can see how we've installed the brackets to make up for the little 1/4 inch difference between the wall and the lift itself. Very nicely done, all 12 volt. That's your remote. Nicely done little lift. Like I said, a 16-foot lift and a 14-foot lift, plus an 18-inch lift here. Very, very nice. 6,000 pound capacity on each lift. Got some more tie downs here on the side. Comes standard. You'll see your crossover ramps that we designed to work along with the E-track that we put down here. These just clip into the brackets here. Fits in there like this. Take this out. We'll move back here towards the back with 39-inch aluminum drive-on ramps. And we've got our remote cord here. Very nicely done. You're going to see your safety locks as you go up. Going to give you 80 inches of clearance underneath when it gets to the top. And there it's to the top. We'll set it down on our locks. See, there's a lock at the top. Very nicely done, all powder coated white. Two by 4-inch tubing here. 2 by 4-inch tubing here. Big stiffener under here for your ramp. You've got a cylinder attached under here with your pulleys. All the Stinger lifts that we manufacture have a flow control valve on the outside. Some of the early models are on the inside, but that monitors the downward speed of your lift. So for the best of the lifts, you know who to call. That's Stinger by Axe, 800-854-4850.